Hi, this is Charlie from Girl in Blue Designs. I'm painting this wine cabinet in Mom's Night Out and highlighting with Soulful Sunshine while low lighting with charcoal and black wax. For extra character, I used a stencil from Redesign with Prima to create a faded and rustic pattern on the sides. For this messy and sporadic finish, I felt that I only needed one coat of ground control. The ground control is applied first to accommodate that drastic pop that you can get from the neons. After allowing the ground control to dry, I'm going to start with Mom's Night Out. Mom's Night Out is Daydream Apothecary's Red. The great thing about these kinds of finishes is that they're intentionally rustic and intentionally messy, so perfectionism isn't super necessary. With this form of color blocking, some people may prefer to use tape, but I opted not to because of my plans to use black wax to tie it all together. As you can see, painting the top did get a little awkward. When I'm going over the more ornate areas of the piece, you can see that I use stabby motions in order to make sure it's completely covered in my base coat. Now that we're done with the first coat, I'll use the blow dryer to speed up the process and start with the real painting. There's that blow dryer again. Getting ready to highlight with Soulful of Sunshine. Around the ornate parts of the piece, I sort of dry brushed the yellow on. Dry brushing is when you get just a little bit of paint on your brush and then wipe most of it off on a paper towel or something, then gently stroke it over the curvature of what you are working on. I also use stabbing and stippling motions to move the paint around. At this point, I'm adding random lashings of Soulful of Sunshine. Here I'm putting the Mom's Night Out wherever the Soulful of Sunshine is not, so that I can blend them together easily. I personally love old stiff brushes for this kind of finish. At some points you might find it's helpful to give your paints a mist before blending. Now the bottom's looking pretty. More lashings. Again, put the Mom's Night Out wherever the Soulful of Sunshine is not to help with blending. For the drawer, I put a whole bunch of Soulful of Sunshine right in the middle, making sure to hit the edges. Then I put Mom's Night Out around it and blended them together. It's time to dry brush on some charcoal. Then switch to a completely dry brush to smooth it out. When things aren't looking how you want, just keep working at it. In this case, I added more yellow. Dry brushing the edges of the drawer. Things are starting to look colorful and messy the way I want them. Dab, 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 and just pull it forward. Always take the time to pick cat hairs out of your brushes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.